Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. So today in my video, I am going to share with you. Actually, first of all, I would like to tell you every person want to learn English, but they don't know how to start speaking English. So today in my video, I am going to tell you how to learn fast English. So first of all, I would like to tell you actually when you start speaking English, so that time you should have the more practice, because practice is very important. I told my previous video, because practice is very necessary. Without practice you can't achieve your goal. Okay, I have lots of things which related to learn English. Okay, and first of all, I would like to tell you, immerse yourself. Immerse yourself when you start speaking English, so that time around yourself with speaking English as a, you should watch the English video, you should watch the English cartoon channel, and you should watch English content. I think there are lots of things related to speaking English. You should watch. Okay, you have to watch. So I think this is a very good way for improving English, and definitely you will be improved. And another thing that is another thing which related, practice regularly. Okay, practice regularly. I think uh, practice is very important. As I told you recently, practice is very necessary. Without practice you can't achieve your goal. Okay, you should have practice each and every day when you are alone at your home, so that time you should have the practice more. Uh, Now it's question rise, how to learn English without partner, because I don't have any partner and any person. So I have an idea. Okay, and that is, when you are free at your home, so that time you can create any fake story and then you can speak with yourself, because this way is very good, because even I am using this way, so that's why I am telling to you, because this way is very good for improving English. And another thing, you should apply related to English journey. You should learn vocabulary. Even I am using, because I don't have any vocabulary more much, because when I start speaking English I cleared everything related to grammar, but when it comes to speak English, so that times I couldn't speak English because of some reason, that is because I have lack vocabulary. I couldn't speak English without more much vocabulary. I think vocabulary is very important part of speaking English. So you should have the learn vocabulary, because there are so many options for learning vocabulary. You should learn English phrases, and all the things are available on YouTube. You can search, you can learn. Okay, so you should vocabulary. Okay, and another thing I have, all the people, all the people try to learn grammar all the times. They time based related to learn grammar. Okay, related to learn grammar, but according to me, you should not learn the grammar. Grammar is not important. Okay, grammar is not important. Only important is your speaking learning. Okay, you should speak with yourself. If you don't have any partner, you speak with yourself. You can try to speak with other person related to your natives, your relative, your friend. You can speak. Okay, I think there are lots of opportunities available when you try to speak English, because without hesitation, without underconfidence, you can try to speak English. So definitely you will be improved. And another thing, I use, actually I have lots of application which use daily. So you can use that application, because that application is very good for improving English. Because even I am using that application, because I feel something like this when I have using that application, I am getting improved my communication skill. So 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 that's why I am telling to you, even you should apply that application, because that application is very superb. And you speak other person uh, who want to learn English. So you should learn lots of things through that application. So you should download that application, and after that you can try to speak with yourself. Okay. And another thing, I use that, you can try to speak native speaker. Okay, but I I want to just, but don't compare with native speaker. Okay, native speaker knows very well English, because native speaker has their native language. So please don't try to compare with native speaker. You can speak with native speaker. So that's how you can learn uh, lots of things through native speaker. Okay, so I think this way is very good. You should apply your speaking English. So all the times I think something like this: I don't have any partner how to speak English, because when we try to speak English, so that times I couldn't speak English, because I don't have any environment and any person. So I think, first of all, I would like to tell you, this is your excuse who are making daily. First of all, you should avoid this thing, because you don't have any partner. It's okay, you don't have any partner. You can speak with yourself. You can use any applications, any application, and after that you can speak. Because I don't have any partner. Okay, but I am trying to learn English, because I want to be perfect. I know, because this is my aim for improving English. So that's why I am here, and I am learning English. So that's why I would like to tell you, please don't focus on your this excuse, because I don't have any partner and I can't speak English very well. This is your excuse. Please stop it. Only try to speak English. Okay, so in the end I would like to tell you, if you are seriously want to improve your communication skills, so please use these things. So please try to speak English, and definitely you will be improved. And I know, because practice in English practice takes the time. Okay, and please be patient, and definitely you will be improved. And keep the consistency is very important for improving English. And you should apply all the things. Okay, and when you have any opportunity, so please grab this opportunity which get you. So in the end, once again I am saying, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually your comment is very important for me. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.